Welcome. In front of me is an ALCATEL 1B, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my display. Now, whatever it is that you want to capture, just make sure that it is visible right now on your screen. Once it is, simply hold your power button and the volume down at the same time. You have a sound along with the pop-up. The first time around, it will also give you a little bit of a guide what you can do after you capture a screenshot. So you have to tap to view and edit it. Then do I need to seriously? Oh, there we go. There we have got it. Then I have tap to start scrolling, which allows you to capture a scrollable screenshot. Now you can see here it is grayed out because there's nothing to really scroll down on the home screen on. But if you have open something like settings, and the settings you can scroll down, and this would actually make this option available to you. Moving on, we have share, no explanation needed, and then also delete as the last option, which for some reason just got kind of ignored. So there we go, and after a moment this pop-up will just simply disappear. There we go. Once it disappears, you can find that said screenshot in your gallery application, and you can see it right up here. Now let's navigate also to the folder, and in here you'll find a folder called screenshots. Obviously in this folder you'll find strictly screenshots and nothing else. So it's an easy way to find screenshots that you might have captured some time ago and you just want to come back to them. So there we go. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.